In Squarespace, you can use the built-in style editor to adjust the design of your website specifically for mobile devices. This allows you to create a responsive design that looks great on both desktop and mobile screens. Here how you can change the design just on Squarespace. Log in into your Squarespace account. Open your web browser and log in into your Squarespace account. Access the style editor. Once logged in, navigate to the page you want to edit and click on Edit or Page Settings. Then, locate and click on the Design or Style tab. Open the Mobile Styles. In the Style Editor, look for an option that allows you to edit the mobile styles specifically. It might be labeled as Mobile Styles, Mobile Design, or something similar. Click on this option to access the mobile design settings. Adjust design elements. In the mobile styles sections, you will see various design elements that you can adjust specifically for mobile devices. This could include fonts, colors, spacing, and more. Use the available options to make the desired changes to your mobile design. Preview and save changes. As you make changes, you can use the preview option to see how your website will look on a mobile device. Make adjustments until you're satisfied with the mobile design. Save your changes. Once you're happy with the mobile design adjustments, be sure to save your changes by clicking the Save or Apply button in the Style Editor. Review and test. After saving, it's a good idea to review your website on actual mobile devices to ensure that the changes you may look as intended. Test different pages and elements to ensure consistency. Remember that Squarespace's responsive design automatically adapts your website layout and elements to fit different screen sizes, including mobile devices. The Mobile Style section of the Style Editor allows you to fine-tune the design specifically for mobile screens.